After you've done the 3 range of motion exercises, then I want you to take a little break. And by that, I mean, you're gonna wanna put a little compression into these muscles. And the best way to do that is, yoink, is with one of these. This is a simple lacrosse ball. You can get this anywhere, online, Canadian Tire, sports stores, you name it. It costs you $4. So we're gonna use this tool because it's nice and squishy, but yet still durable enough not to compress itself. You're gonna put it on the neck, and you're gonna use a wall. You can use a wall, you can use a floor, whatever you're most comfortable with. And the idea is that you have to be able to move your neck muscles along that lacrosse ball. So you're gonna put a little compression, and to get more compression, you're gonna bring the feet away from the wall so that the angle of the body is literally putting pressure or more pressure onto the lacrosse ball. And from there, you're gonna bend your knees up and down, and that lacrosse ball is gonna roll along those muscles, and you're gonna get that compression factor into those muscles and help them to relax. After you're done rolling the neck muscles out with the ball on the wall or on the floor, grab a towel, just a small towel just like this. What you're gonna wanna do is roll it up, and then from there, you're gonna put it behind the neck. You're gonna wanna anchor one hand right here close to your collarbone. This is your lever arm, and from there, this is what you're gonna use to stretch those neck muscles. So as we push forward, you're gonna get some of these muscles on this side all to stretch out. So I want you to hold that stretch for at least 20 to 30 seconds. From there, you're going to find that sweet spot where you're getting deep into those muscles and getting them to lengthen. After that, you're gonna switch sides. So you're gonna shorten the anchor on the other side and create that lever over there, and you're gonna pull the towel across the body to get that stretch on the opposite side of the neck. You're gonna hold it again, 20 to 30 seconds, and you're gonna repeat it a couple times until you feel that looseness in the upper back and neck muscles. Go for it.